Good evening and aloha. My name is Leroy and I'm going to teach you how to play the ukulele. We first start off with a pretty good instrument. I happen to be playing a concert size, which is the next size from the standard, which is just a little bit smaller. 4 strings are tuned G, C, E, A. We used to say my dog has fleas. I don't know how they got that. But anyway, these bars here are called frets, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and so on. And the way it's numbered, your bottom string is your actually your 1st string, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. And when you refer to your fingering, your pointer is your 1st finger, your middle finger is your 2nd finger, your ring finger is your 3rd finger, and your pinky is your 4th finger. You want to get a good instrument and you want to get it tuned. So you need to get a tuner, or if you have a piano, you can tune it with the piano, but you want to have it tuned correctly, because when you start playing, it's really a lot of fun to have something that's going to sound good, and you have to start with a good instrument and tune it right. Alright? Let's get started. I'm going to start with the very first lesson. I'm going to teach you 4 chords. That's going to be the C, the A minor, the F, and the G7. Very simple, and I'm going to teach you the proper way how to hold the ukulele and hold these chords. First of all, you're going to take your ring finger or your 3rd finger, you're going to put it on the 3rd fret on the 1st string. You want to hold your thumb right in the back as a vice or brace, not by the palm but by the thumb. Okay? And you're going to have your ukulele resting very nicely. You're going to go down with your pointer finger, and you want to kind of turn your wrist down a little bit so it slides over the strings really nice and easy. Okay? When you strum, you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So the first note is C, and you notice I used my ring finger or the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret on the 1st string. That is C. Your next note is going to be, or your next chord is going to be A minor, and that is your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Alright? Then you're going to take your pointer and you're going to put it right on the 2nd string, 1st fret, just like that. Remember, holding it really nicely like a vice. And then just move your 3rd finger or your middle finger down 1 string to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you want to turn your wrist this way, turn it away from you, so you can get that ring finger, and you want to tuck it right under there on the 1st string, 2nd fret. That is G7. Alright? So you have C, A minor, F, G7. Now, for you beginners, what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to strum 4 counts to a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then you change to A minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and F, 2 and 3 and 4, G7, 2 and 3 and 4, and back to C. Now, the key is to keep the beat regular. It's going to take you a while for beginners because you're going to be really busy trying to make the change. But what you want to do is you want to have a steady beat. So if you have to slow down, please do that, because when you start playing music, it doesn't slow down for you. Alright? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 Alright? This is the technical part of playing the ukulele. This is the musical part. And I will teach you several rhythms and strumming in our next lesson. Thank you very much, and mahalo.